Hey everyone, welcome back to N1-CONCEPTION, the place where design meets illusion, and creativity takes shape through engineering. Today, I've got something that'll mess with your mind, a SolidWorks model that looks logically impossible, but is completely real. Yes, you're seeing this right, it's an impossible triangle illusion brought to life with nothing but geometry, color, and some SolidWorks magic. At first glance, it looks like one of those mind-bending optical illusions from the internet, you know, the ones that make you question reality. But what makes this one special? It's not Photoshop. It's not a trick of lighting. It's a real 3D model that exists, just not in the way your brain expects. Let's break it down. This design is based on the Penrose triangle, also known as the Impossible Triangle, a shape that defies logic and perspective. In reality, such a triangle cannot physically exist in 3D space, unless you know the secret. It's all about alignment and viewpoint. From the right angle, your brain connects disjointed parts and assumes continuity where there is none. And that's what I recreated in SolidWorks, a perfect visual lie. So, how did I do it? I started by sketching a triangular frame, basic stuff. Then, I extruded the arms individually to form thick segments. But here's where it gets interesting. Instead of connecting all three corners, I separated the pieces and placed them in 3D space at different depths and angles. What seems connected from the front view is actually disconnected when seen from any other angle. Using reference planes, construction lines, and lots of camera angle testing, I slowly tweaked each segment until the illusion locked in place. You have to constantly switch to perspective view and rotate around to ensure that everything aligns visually, even if it's totally broken geometrically. It's kind of like fooling your own software into letting you lie to the viewer. Now let's talk about the colors. Every face is intentionally painted in a different color, not just for aesthetic, but to help the eye distinguish edges and create that pop that enhances the illusion. The use of bold, high-contrast shades helps emphasize each segment, and the sharp boundaries confuse the viewer's depth perception. It's almost like turning CAD into visual psychology. From a technical standpoint, the model is simple, no advanced features, no surfacing or complex mates. Just basic extrusion, smart alignment, and a keen eye for angles. That's the beauty of it. Even with basic tools, you can create high-impact designs when you think outside the box, or in this case, outside the triangle. But why build something like this? Because design isn't just about machines and blueprints. It's about creativity. It's about playing with perception, challenging logic, and creating something that makes people stop and think. This project is a perfect mix of engineering, art, and curiosity. And SolidWorks gives us the perfect playground to bring those ideas into reality. If you're learning computer-aided design, I highly recommend trying something like this. It sharpens your spatial thinking, improves your modeling precision, and it's incredibly satisfying when you finally align everything and see the illusion form in front of you. And trust me, when you rotate the camera just slightly and the illusion breaks, it's even cooler. So, that's it. A 3D model that doesn't make sense, yet exists. All done in SolidWorks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share it with your design buddies, and hit subscribe to join me for more wild, creative builds. From mechanical parts to visual puzzles, this is N1-CONCEPTION, and we're just getting started. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, keep exploring, and remember, even the impossible can be designed.